Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Christmas clothes Miside. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. There are currently 3 clothes that you can unlock in Miside. Here's how to collect them all. The school clothes for Mida can be unlocked in the chapter called Together at Last. The chapter begins with you arriving at Mida's bedroom. After a short while, Mida enters the room, and after some quick dialogues, she sits on a chair near the computer. At this point, you're supposed to talk to her and ask some questions. Instead of doing that, head towards the closet and interact with the school outfit hanging on the side. Player 1 will ask Mida about the outfit, and once the dialogue ends, you'll unlock the school clothes for Mida, accessible from the main menu. In the chapter Things Get Weird, you'll find Mida in the kitchen after leaving the bathroom. After talking to her, you'll face a loading screen once you try to get to the living room. Once the conversation ends with Mida, interact with the game controller in front of the TV in the living room. You can now play 2 console mini-games with Mida. Choose Penguin Piles and score more points than Mida on both rounds to unlock the Christmas clothes. The chapter She Just Wants to Sleep begins with you in Sleepy Mida's bedroom. Ignore Sleepy Mida for now and head straight for the kitchen. You'll find 5 jack-o'-lanterns on the kitchen table. Interact with them to start a mini puzzle. You can switch between the pumpkins and tap on them. Tapping the correct pumpkin will cause it to light up. You'll have to find the exact sequence of pumpkins to tap to solve the puzzle. Since the sequence is random each time you load the level, it's all about trial and error. Once you crack the order, the vampire outfit will unlock. Once you've unlocked the outfit, you can head into clothes from the main menu and choose the costume you want Mida to put on. This will switch the clothes for most Midas in Miside. And that's it, you are done.